So I recently got sent out this dual curtain rod set, and today we're gonna go back in time, do a really quick unboxing and install. So with that being said, let's go ahead and change that camera angle up. So here's the box that it comes in. It's actually pretty small, so pretty impressed with their packaging. So we're gonna get a little instruction guide up there. Then we're gonna get all of those bars that we're gonna go ahead and screw together. So on the inside of this box, we're gonna get all of our hardware and the main rails that we're gonna attach onto the wall. And here is the hardware that you guys are gonna use to mount these up onto the wall. We also do get a center mount because this can be extended to a very long length, and this will just keep it from bending in the middle. All of the bars also have different labels. They're B and C and even E. So make sure that you guys don't take the plastic off so you know what is what. And then here is the user guide on the inside. So we're gonna go ahead and start mounting this, but here are all the possibilities that you guys could do for the actual curtain rod. So for step number one, we need to figure out the distance between that side of the windows and over there. And we're right around 122 inches. So with that knowledge, we know that we need to put this rod together right here. So they show us exactly how to do it. 1E and then 6 C bars, 1B and then 1A over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start assembling those with all of these pieces right here. And then we'll start messing around with the placement and make sure that we like how it looks before we start drilling any holes. All right, so we got the two bars put together. I was a little curious if they were gonna be adjustable after we got them all hooked up just for fine tuning. And indeed on the back right here, this bar is adjustable. So that's why A is a little thinner than all the other bars. So here's what we're gonna be doing next. They even show us how big of a hole to drill for our drywall anchors. And on the back here, we have a plate that comes off so that you guys could just easily work with this and mount it and then slide this on the top. So for step number one, we need to make sure that we get both these brackets at the same height from the floor. So I went ahead and measured 90.5 inches up, drew a line, and now I'm using a level to make sure that I have everything accurate, making sure that they're the same distance from the ceiling. And I am screwing this into the wall about 4 inches away from the side of the window on either side. So I'm gonna go ahead and drill this out with a 1/4 inch bit, and then we're gonna hammer these drywall anchors in, and then it's pretty easy. We just have to screw in the actual plate and slide the little bracket on. So just like that, that's how you guys install it. Now we're gonna go ahead and move over to the other side, do the exact same thing. Then the center also has a bracket that we'll install. All right, so it got a little late last night and I went ahead and put this piece up off camera, but it was very simple. So after you guys get the two main corners hooked up, then you guys are gonna go over here and just make sure that the bars are flat, and then you'll make your marks, drill, and do the exact same thing and install that little bar. So that's what it should look like, and it was just like the others to install. So here, hopefully you can see the dual layers on our curtains. So I just wrapped this one all the way around the side, so no light is coming through on the sides, which is really important to us. And then we have 2 sheer curtains on each half for a total of 4, and then 2 normal curtains on either side. So let me go ahead and move these around to show you some other options. So you guys could put a lot more curtains on here, but with the look that we're going for, we actually just wanted one on either side to frame everything in. But everything moves very easily on these bars. They're the perfect size in my opinion. Even the sheer curtains are really easy to just move along. So overall, I've been really happy with this curtain rod set. It was really easy to hook up. I really like their mounting system. And anyways, that's gonna be it for today's really quick install and review.